Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we explore scary space facts that will leave you amazed today. But before we begin, don't forget to show your support by subscribing, liking our videos, and watching them till the very end. By joining our community of space enthusiasts today, you'll be part of an exciting journey through the wonders of the universe. Let's embark on this cosmic adventure together. In space, there is no sound. It is completely silent, as there is no medium for sound waves to travel through. The temperature in space can vary dramatically, ranging from extremely cold to extremely hot. In the shade, temperatures can drop to -270 degrees Celsius, -454 degrees Fahrenheit, while in direct sunlight, temperatures can rise to 120 degrees Celsius, 248 degrees Fahrenheit. Space is a vacuum, meaning it is devoid of air and atmospheric pressure. Without a spacesuit or a pressurized spacecraft, human bodies would be exposed to the vacuum, leading to rapid decompression and ultimately death. The nearest known black hole to Earth, named V616 Monocerotis, is approximately 3,000 light-years away. Gamma-ray bursts are extremely powerful explosions that can release more energy in a few seconds than our Sun will emit in its entire lifetime. They are believed to occur when massive stars collapse or when two neutron stars merge. Space is filled with cosmic radiation, which consists of high-energy particles like protons and cosmic rays. Astronauts traveling in space are exposed to higher levels of radiation than people on Earth, increasing their risk of developing cancer and other health problems. The largest volcano in our solar system is not on Earth but on Mars. Olympus Mons on Mars is about 13.6 miles, 22 kilometers, high, making it nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest. Space is not completely dark. There is a faint background glow called the cosmic microwave background radiation, which is left over from the Big Bang and can be detected in all directions. There are rogue planets floating freely in space, untethered to any star. These planets may have been ejected from their original solar systems or formed on their own. In space, your body experiences a phenomenon called space sickness, or space adaptation syndrome, which is similar to motion sickness. It can cause nausea, disorientation, and vomiting. The International Space Station, ISS, travels at a speed of approximately 28,000 kilometers per hour, 17,500 miles per hour, and orbits the Earth roughly every 90 minutes. Space debris, also known as space junk, poses a significant threat to spacecraft and satellites. It includes defunct satellites, spent rocket stages, and other debris from human space activities. The largest known structure in the universe is the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall, a vast cosmic filament composed of galaxies stretching over 10 billion light-years. Dark matter, a mysterious substance that does not interact with light or other forms of electromagnetic radiation, is estimated to make up about 27% of the universe's mass and energy. The speed of light is approximately 299,792 kilometers per second, 186,282 miles per second. It is the fastest speed that anything with mass or energy can travel in the universe. The closest galaxy to our Milky Way is the Andromeda Galaxy, located about 2.537 million light-years away. Space telescopes, such as the Hubble Space Telescope, have revealed that the universe is expanding and that distant galaxies are moving away from us. This discovery led to the formulation of the Big Bang Theory. Astronauts on long-duration space missions can experience bone and muscle loss due to the lack of gravity. Regular exercise and a specialized diet are crucial to mitigate these effects. A black hole is an extremely dense region in space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape its gravitational pull. Space is not empty but contains various forms of interstellar matter, such as gas, dust, and plasma. These materials can accumulate to form new stars and planetary systems. The largest known star in the universe is Uy-Scuti, a hypergiant star located about 9,500 light-years away. It is estimated to be over 1,700 times larger than our Sun. Space is constantly expanding, causing galaxies to move away from each other. This expansion is believed to be driven by dark energy, an unknown form of energy that permeates the universe. The Kuiper Belt, located beyond Neptune's orbit, is a region of the solar system that contains numerous small icy bodies, including Pluto and other dwarf planets. The concept of time can be distorted near massive objects due to their gravitational pull. This phenomenon, known as time dilation, has been confirmed by experiments and observations. There is a region in space known as the Great Attractor that appears to be pulling numerous galaxies, including our Milky Way, towards it. However, its exact nature and composition remain largely unknown. Astronomers have discovered exoplanets, which are planets located outside our solar system. These planets can have diverse characteristics, including gas giants, rocky worlds, and potentially habitable environments. The Sun, our nearest star, is about 4.6 billion years old and is expected to burn its fuel for another 5 billion years before evolving into a red giant and eventually becoming a white dwarf. The concept of a wormhole is a speculative idea in theoretical physics that suggests the existence of shortcuts through spacetime, potentially allowing for faster-than-light travel. However, their existence remains purely theoretical. Neutron stars are incredibly dense remnants of massive stars that have undergone supernova explosions. They can contain as much mass as the Sun but be compressed into a sphere with a diameter of about 20 kilometers, 12 miles. The Sun's gravity is so strong that it bends the path of light passing near it. This effect, known as gravitational lensing, has been used to observe distant galaxies and test predictions of Einstein's theory of general relativity. The coldest known place in the universe is the Boomerang Nebula, a cloud of gas and dust located approximately 5,000 light-years away from Earth. Its temperature has been measured to be -272 degrees Celsius, -458 degrees Fahrenheit. Space travel can have a profound impact on the human body, including changes in vision, cardiovascular function, and the immune system. These effects are currently being studied to ensure the well-being of astronauts on long-duration missions. The concept of a white hole is a hypothetical region of spacetime that would be the reverse of a black hole. While black holes trap everything, a white hole would emit matter and energy, but there is no observational evidence of their existence. The universe is estimated to be about 13.8 billion years old, based on measurements of the cosmic microwave background radiation and observations of distant galaxies. Some galaxies, known as active galactic nuclei, contain supermassive black holes at their centers. These black holes can release enormous amounts of energy as they consume surrounding matter, leading to the formation of powerful jets and quasars. Space is not completely empty, but contains a low-density gas called the interstellar medium. It is composed mostly of hydrogen and helium, along with traces of heavier elements. The phenomenon of stellar nurseries refers to regions in space where new stars are born. These nurseries are typically dense molecular clouds that collapse under gravity, leading to the formation of protostars. The speed at which the universe is expanding is known as the Hubble constant, named after astronomer Edwin Hubble. The precise value of the Hubble constant is still a subject of ongoing research and debate. The concept of black hole evaporation was proposed by physicist Stephen Hawking. According to quantum mechanics, black holes can emit a form of radiation called Hawking radiation and eventually evaporate over extremely long timescales. Some stars end their lives in spectacular explosions known as supernovae. These explosions release a tremendous amount of energy and can briefly outshine their entire host galaxies. The term light year is used to measure astronomical distances. It represents the distance that light travels in 1 year, which is approximately 9.46 trillion kilometers, 5.88 trillion miles. The center of our Milky Way galaxy harbors a supermassive black hole called Sagittarius A star. It has a mass equivalent to about 4 million times that of our Sun. Space is constantly bombarded by high-energy particles called cosmic rays. These particles originate from various sources, such as supernovae and active galactic nuclei. The concept of gravitational waves was confirmed in 2015 by the Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory (LIGO) experiment. Gravitational waves are ripples in the fabric of spacetime caused by the acceleration of massive objects. The highest energy particles in the universe, known as ultra-high-energy cosmic rays, are believed to originate from extragalactic sources. Their exact origins and the mechanisms by which they are accelerated to such high energies are still not fully understood. Space telescopes, such as the Kepler Space Telescope, have discovered thousands of exoplanets, revolutionizing our understanding of planetary systems and the possibility of finding other habitable worlds. The concept of dark energy emerged from observations suggesting that the expansion of the universe is accelerating. Dark energy is thought to be responsible for this acceleration, but its nature remains a mystery. Astronomers have observed numerous collisions between galaxies, which can result in the formation of new galaxies and trigger intense bursts of star formation. The farthest known object in the universe is GNZ 11, a galaxy located about 13.4 billion light-years away. Its light has taken 13.4 billion years to reach us, providing a glimpse into the early universe. Space is filled with tiny dust particles called micrometeoroids, which can pose a threat to spacecraft and satellites. These particles can travel at high speeds and cause damage upon impact. The concept of dark matter halos suggests that galaxies are surrounded by massive halos of invisible dark matter. These halos provide the gravitational glue that holds galaxies together. The concept of spacetime combines the three dimensions of space with the fourth dimension of time into a unified framework. According to Einstein's theory of general relativity, massive objects curve spacetime, affecting the motion of other objects within it. Some stars, known as pulsars, emit beams of electromagnetic radiation that can be observed as regular pulses. These pulses are believed to be caused by the rotation of the star and its magnetic field. The concept of interstellar travel refers to the idea of humans traveling between star systems. While it remains a significant technological challenge, scientists and engineers are exploring various propulsion methods and spacecraft designs for potential future missions. The density of matter in the universe is not uniform. It forms a web-like structure known as the cosmic web, consisting of filaments, voids, and galaxy clusters. Space missions have captured breathtaking images of distant galaxies, nebulae, and other celestial objects, allowing us to witness the beauty and vastness of the cosmos. Spacecraft like the Voyager probes carry golden records containing sounds and images representing Earth and humanity. These records serve as a time capsule and a message for potential extraterrestrial civilizations. The concept of stellar nucleosynthesis explains how stars synthesize heavier elements through nuclear fusion. Elements like carbon, oxygen, and iron are forged in the cores of stars and dispersed into space when the stars explode as supernovae. The phenomenon of time dilation occurs when the relative motion or gravity of an object affects the passage of time. This effect has been observed and measured in experiments using precise atomic clocks. Space missions have revealed the presence of subsurface oceans on several moons of Jupiter and Saturn, such as Europa and Enceladus. These oceans are considered potential habitats for microbial life. The concept of spaghettification describes the stretching and elongation of an object due to the extreme tidal forces near a black hole. As an object approaches a black hole, it can be stretched into a long, thin shape resembling spaghetti. The concept of dark flow refers to the observed motion of galaxy clusters in a particular direction that cannot be explained by the known distribution of matter in the universe. Its origins and nature are still not fully understood. The Pioneer anomaly is an unexplained phenomenon where the Pioneer spacecraft experienced unexpected deceleration during their journeys. Several hypotheses have been proposed, including the influence of unknown gravitational forces or systematics in the spacecraft's measurements. Space telescopes, such as the Chandra X-ray Observatory, have provided valuable insights into high-energy phenomena in the universe, including black holes, supernovae remnants, and active galactic nuclei. The concept of quantum entanglement suggests that particles can become connected in a way that their states are correlated, regardless of the distance between them. This phenomenon has been experimentally demonstrated and is being explored for potential applications in quantum communication and computing. Space is not completely static but is expanding and evolving. Galaxies are moving away from each other, driven by the expansion of space itself, and new stars continue to form as older stars reach the end of their lives. The concept of multiverse proposes the existence of multiple universes beyond our observable universe, each with its own set of physical laws and properties. This idea is still highly speculative and debated among physicists and cosmologists. The concept of stellar cannibalism refers to the process in which a star captures and consumes another star or a companion object. This can lead to the growth of the surviving star and the formation of binary star systems. Space missions, such as the Kepler and TESS missions, have discovered thousands of exoplanets in our galaxy, suggesting that planets are common around other stars. This has greatly expanded our understanding of planetary systems and the potential for life elsewhere. The concept of vacuum energy, or dark energy, suggests that even empty space is not truly empty but contains energy fluctuations on a microscopic scale. This energy is thought to contribute to the acceleration of the universe's expansion. The concept of space-time foam arises from the principles of quantum mechanics. It suggests that on microscopic scales, space-time is not smooth but rather has a frothy, fluctuating structure. Space telescopes, such as the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, are designed to observe the universe in infrared wavelengths. They will provide unprecedented views of distant galaxies, star formation regions, and potentially detect signs of life on exoplanets. The concept of white dwarfs describes the remnants of low to medium mass stars after they have exhausted their nuclear fuel. These dense objects are composed mainly of electron-degenerate matter and gradually cool down over billions of years. Space missions, such as the Cassini-Huygens mission to Saturn, have revealed stunning details about the ring systems of gas giant planets and their diverse moons, enriching our understanding of planetary dynamics and formation. The concept of vacuum decay suggests that the universe could potentially undergo a catastrophic phase transition, where a different vacuum state with different physical laws could form and rapidly expand, destroying everything in its path. Space missions, such as the Mars rovers, have provided valuable insights into the geological history of Mars, including evidence of ancient water flows and the potential for past habitable environments. The concept of quantum foam arises from the combination of quantum mechanics and the uncertainty principle. It suggests that on extremely small scales, space-time is filled with a turbulent, fluctuating sea of virtual particles. Space telescopes, such as the Hubble Space Telescope, have captured stunning images of distant galaxies that allow us to observe them as they appeared billions of years ago, providing a glimpse into the early universe. The concept of cosmic strings suggests the existence of long, thin objects that could have formed during the early universe's phase transitions. These objects could have significant effects on the distribution of matter and the formation of cosmic structures. The concept of vacuum fluctuations refers to the temporary creation and annihilation of particle-antiparticle pairs in empty space. These fluctuations play a crucial role in quantum field theory and are thought to contribute to the properties of matter and forces in the universe. Space missions, such as the New Horizons mission to Pluto, have provided valuable data about the dwarf planet and its moons, expanding our knowledge of the outer regions of the solar system.